Alright, what's up guys? I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but I'm back with another trumpet video. I left my good trumpet at school, so I'll be using this one today. So yeah, today I'm going to be going over the best warm-up that I think. It's a really good warm-up for your range and yeah, just overall playing. So, I don't know what it's called really, but like, you just go up this, it's kind of like a scale, but not really. I'll show you how it goes. Yeah, and you can just keep going up as high as you want. And it's kind of hard for me to hit the high note. Remind you, this is playing on a 7C on a beginner trumpet. Just saying. Oof, I barely got that. Holy crap, I actually got it. That was actually pretty clean too. Next, I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so the best warm-up in the world, my opinion. You go C, E, G, C, G, E, C. Go up to the next step would be a D, then it goes D, F sharp, A, D. So you see you go up a whole octave. And you make it go a little bit faster every time. Next one will be an E. So it goes E, E, A flat, I think it's B, then E. You go to the next one, which would be an F. F, A, C, F, high F, C, A, F. So yeah, that's the notes for that. Then you go up to G. Obviously, you just do a whole B flat scale going up. So you literally do a whole octave. 2 octaves, actually. Because you're doing the bottom and the top, obviously. So. The next one is just A. You just hold it down until you get up to the next A. That's all I know. So it's literally A, C sharp, E, A. After that would be B's. You just hold it all the way down too. So I'll play those two for you. See, it's the same thing. I mean, you can't really tell the difference, but it is a little out of tune. Is a C, obviously. So it's all open for that one. So yeah, that concludes my whole warm-up. You can just go back in the video if you miss a step, or like if you want more practice on one, just go back in the video and yeah, you'll see all the videos. So yep, that's my tutorial on my personal preference on the best warm-up. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.